G'day and welcome to episode 3 of Try It Yourself. In this episode you will learn how to hack a combination lock, one of these types. Alright, let's get started. You'll need an empty can of soda, a pair of scissors, and your combination lock. Alright, first what you need to do is cut the top of the can off, just like this. Now cut a small rectangle, about this size. Now you need to cut 2 lines in your rectangle, just like this. And then another 2 lines here. So now you'll have an M shape. Now fold the tops like this. And once again. Now you should have something which looks similar to this. Now take your combination lock and wrap this, going that way, on the left side around the pole. Just like this. I'll show you a close-up as well. Wrap it around the left side. Now what you need to do is push the aluminium down and pull the lock open at the same time. Just like this. And it should just open up like that. Alright, here it is again. Push the aluminium down and pull the lock open. You can also push the aluminium down first and then pull the lock open instead of doing it at the same time. It might help. This doesn't always work for all combination locks. The first time I tried it didn't work. Probably took me about 10 or 15 tries. Sometimes you have to push really hard and just fiddle around with it for about 5 minutes, and then once you get the hang of it you'll get a lot better. I hope this works for you, and please don't use this for illegal purposes. So don't hack into anybody else's locks or anything. This is for only your lock if you forget your code, or just to show your friends. So please don't use it any other ways. Alright, thanks for watching episode 3, and subscribe so you know when episode 4 is out. Thanks for watching, see ya.